Oh, my people, you're good at born
Hi
child.
everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Rose Lacey. I live with
Rosemary.
Today we're making cookies.
Yeah.
So we put the cookie here.
Okay.
So let's get started.
Okay. Oh, my
So
people.
first I'm gonna be doing to make the cookie.
Oh, wow. My people, guess what, guys? I can't wait to share the fun of you guys. Happy weekend from my end. So my 2 years old baby girl just made a cookies for me though. The cookies is so colorful, very nice and delicious. It smells good.
Yay.
Oh my
So
god.
yummy.
Yes, it's yummy. So I just stopped by to show you guys, and she's still making some more cookies. So I just stopped by to show you guys some of the colors the cookies have. It got so many colors. It got sister, you want to name your color? You want to name your colors?
Yeah.
It got green, pink, white, purple, yellow, blue, pink. Yeah, it got so many colors. So family,
Pink.
so you are welcome to Rose Lacey and Rosemary channel. So happy weekend from our end. We are making cookies today in our kitchen. So welcome guys. You are wholeheartedly invited. Yeah, to eat with us, okay? So if you live nearby, you can just stop by for a piece of cookies, okay? Yeah, so my baby girl gonna be showing you guys how she make her cookies. Oh my gosh, she's so smart. Happy weekend again, oh.
Happy Friendship Day.
Oh, happy Friendship Day, y'all. Aww. So if you're just joining us for the first time, please
Friendship Day for my cookies.
Please like, share, please support us by sharing, commenting, and subscribing to our channel. We love you so much. One love from our end. Aww, that was so sweet of her.
That was so sweet.
Look at you. Look at you, big girl. You're a big girl. Okay, bye, y'all. We love you all.
Bye.
Mwah.
Mwah.